Hi, Sheila here from the Satin Crystals Boutique. Today I have for you our Amethyst Sturdy Sterling Silver Pendulum. So these are genuine amethyst stones, which are a dark purple and may show some shiny planes and inclusions, and white chevron zigzags. The pendulum has been polished into a 6-faceted point and hangs from a sterling silver chain with a sterling silver twist ring on top, which makes it easy to hold the pendulum or to hang like I have here. So 3 ways that you can use this amethyst pendulum is that 1, you can hang them up in a doorway or windowsill and let the healing energies emanate throughout your space. Number 2, you can use them for dowsing, which is getting yes or no answers from your subconscious mind. And 3, you can place them over the chakras for chakra diagnosis. And depending on which way the pendulum swings, you'll be able to tell how open or blocked the chakra is. The pendulums all come in a gift box, so they're ready to gift to all of your friends and family as well. Thank you for watching, and come visit us at the Satin Crystals Boutique anytime.